Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use mission control feature on your MacBook Air M5. So, what is mission control feature? That's a pretty simple way to manage your device's entire environment, including your Windows applications, your virtual desktops, etc. And to activate it, you just have to swipe up the trackpad with 3 fingers, or alternatively, you can also use the control and up arrow key combination of keys, or you can use the F3 button, which is a shortcut for the mission control. And from here, you can basically open any application or put any application to the front. If you want to have a separate desktop, just tap the plus icon right here and select a different desktop for yourself where you want to continue working. And basically, you can also manage your external displays from this menu and do many more things. And so, yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.